Hi, this is Deb's Villa Cucina. I thought I would share a really fun recipe that we found. It's called Bang Bang Cauliflower. If you've had Bang Bang Shrimp, you've had a similar flavor. It starts out with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and then sweet chili sauce. I found this at Trader Joe's. Mix that up. Of course, you're putting this in a big bowl. In the meantime, this is a 1.5 teaspoons of Sriracha. I've got the oven at 425 and preheated. This is a tablespoon of lime juice. And this is a 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And first what you do is mix it all up. And I've already sprayed my sheet pan here. Throw the cauliflower in. My sheet pan is already greased up with a spray. And you simply mix up all the cauliflower, making sure that it's all covered. And if you've got any extra sauce, you'll want to just top it off. Spread it on the cooking sheet. And it's going to cook for about 35 minutes in a 425 oven. Halfway through, you're going to want to stir it around. I hope you like it as much as we do.